a good, strong, solid performance on the P1P, but isn't enough. Isn't enough. The judges are currently telling the points that should be here soon. Oh my God! Oh my God! K1K has taken the title. Taken the title. Oh, who would have believed it? Who would have believed it, ladies and gentlemen? K1K has done what nobody thought they would do. Oh my God. Oh, I wonder if will they be able to repeat it in the filament round next week? We shall see. Can the K1K hold on to its lead and win in the filament section? Oh my God. Oh my God.